Welcome to the options video for GCSE Geography. We hope you are watching this because you already enjoy your geography lessons and have a real interest in what is going on in the world around you. So why pick geography? Firstly, it's one of the most universal subjects which supports other studies as well as being a massive subject area of its own. Whether you're looking for a future in the sciences, business or the arts, the breadth of knowledge we can give you will really help. That means the knowledge is useful in almost any job. Previous students of ours have gone on to study all kinds of A-levels and degrees, and we even have one student going to Oxford University to study environmental sciences. There are thousands of jobs where geography will be useful, ranging from finding enough water for the 8 billion people on the Earth, or preventing damage from the next big tropical storm. So our results speak for themselves. Over the past few years, we have been increasing the achievement of our pupils with a new curriculum and a rigorous approach to preparing for the exams. Our students now match the national average for outcomes, and we have more students getting grades 7 to 9 than ever before. So if you've got your high on a high grade, we can definitely help you get there. So we study the AQA GCSE syllabus because we know it really well. Mrs. Sutcliffe and I are both examiners for the board, so we know how to teach it so that you can be successful in the exams. We study 3 physical geography units, which are natural hazards, ecosystems, and the UK's physical landscapes. The human geography units are urban change, economic change, and resource management. There is also a third paper which includes fieldwork and evaluation of an issue based on a booklet you get 12 weeks before the exam. Our AAA teaching model means that we break down our learning into 3 distinct chunks. In the first lesson of a 2-week cycle, you will acquire a large chunk of knowledge. And what this means is that the teacher will give a lecture, a presentation, and you will be required to make notes in your own book. Okay, and you can see the quality in that picture. Okay, in the second session, you will then need to apply that knowledge. So you'll be given some exercises which test whether you kind of understand it and can apply that knowledge to a particular theme. In the third lesson, we'll give you an exam style assessment. Okay, and in that 100-minute session, you effectively will be given some exam style questions. We will mark those in lesson and make the adjustments and the feedback that we need to. What this means is that we make sure that everybody knows what they need to know before we move on and nobody gets left behind. But we also think that experiences are incredibly important. So we take you out into the world and help you to live some of that geography. So here we've got students that were out in Liverpool City Centre as one of our case study units, but we've also taken students on adventures. So here Keon is really experiencing that river as he canoes down there during one of our big water sports trips. The most important thing is that it's fun. We want to make sure that people enjoy the subject, get something out of it, bring their own interests, and make sure that they identify with the topic areas. Okay, so we can make sure that we can kind of make that fit your experiences as well. Okay, so I'm sure that people will have some questions as well. So what we've done is we've set up a specific email address. So if you've got any particular questions, if you email at GCSE Geography at Little Lever Bolton School UK, then we will literally be able to answer that and get back to you. Or alternatively, speak to us in one of the lessons and ask you questions then. Thanks very much.